Have you been searching for a modern, custom-built home with no HOA? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Port St Lucie. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Rafael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in Southeast Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. Walking up to this home, you'll immediately see this builder's modern design and custom work, from the black accents, sleek coach lights, double door entryway, and the extended and oversized brick driveway. This model comes in at 2,500 square feet under air as a 5-bedroom home with 4 full bathrooms, an epoxied side-load garage, and a spacious covered lanai with a contemporary summer kitchen. Inside of the home, the builder spared no expense with large format 40x40 Spanish porcelain tile, solid wood cabinetry, quartz countertops with marble veining, and a waterfall island, as well as the gourmet kitchen with a commercial hood and built-in microwave and wall oven. The attention to detail is incredible with custom black light fixtures, fans, and hardware throughout. And each of the bedrooms have built-in storage in the closets, and the bathrooms have frameless glass showers and LED vanity mirrors with custom tile work in each of them. And of course, on a home like this, they've included hurricane impact windows and did an extra round of concrete block to make the ceilings even higher. And at the center of the home, the builder designed a modern electric fireplace and TV wall framed with porcelain and wood paneling. While this home was their model, it was built in the highly desirable Torino neighborhood in Port St Lucie, which has no HOA and is located in the northwest area of the city, behind St Lucie West, which is where many of the businesses, shopping, restaurants, healthcare, and entertainment are situated, along with the Met spring training at Clover Park. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you are interested in this home or something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build and represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.